What I just asked you was, what did the book call forces that kept an object from moving? If you click balance forces, you are correct. Balance forces are when multiple forces of equal strength are acting on an object. So, what does it mean for two forces to be balanced? What does it mean for two forces on an object to be balanced? It means that they're equal strength. They act on the object in opposite directions. Another way to say this is that balanced forces give zero net force on an object. So one of the examples they gave you was some kids pulling on a rope, playing tug of war. Now, think about this. They have the equal strength. Are they going to go anywhere? Is anyone going to really win the tug of war? No, because of their equal strength, they're going to stay right there. When forces are exerted on an object and they are balanced, the object doesn't move or change its movement. When something is not changing, scientists say that this is stable. What I want you to do is think back to the train. We know that the train rises and it falls, but what about when it's floating? It's not rising, it's not falling, it's not moving. What can you say about that train then? Is it balanced? We also say that that train is stable. We're going to move on to our third activity, which is word relationships. Now I'm going to show you how to do this activity. You're going to receive this in your Google Classroom, and it's going to look just like this. It says complete the sentences with the cards. Drag the cards to complete the sentence. So we're going to go ahead and look at our cards. These are all of our vocabulary cards. You know this because we have it in our science bulletin board in our Google Classroom. We're going to take a look at all the words we'll be using for this activity. Gravity, exert, balance forces, stable, non-touching, touching, same, magnet, different, change, force, magnetic force, attract, and repel. Let's go ahead and look at what we're going to do with these. I have my whole word bank right here. It says a blank can attract or repel. I know what can attract or repel. A magnet. I'm going to find magnet in my word bank. I found it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it with one finger, and then I'm going to take my other finger and I'm going to move it over to the blank. So now it completes the sentence. A magnet can attract or repel. Now you have your own to do. I'm going to let you go ahead and continue with this activity in your Google Classroom. And then that's going to complete our lesson for today. All right, friends, in our next lesson, we're going to continue to learn about balance, forces, and how they act on objects. I'll see y'all then.